Gwan Squad, it's been a minute. Sorry I've been MIA, but life has been busy lately. So let me go and fill in on what's been going on. Recently I started doing my masters, which has been a lot of work, let me tell you. Who told me to do school again at 30 years old? But in addition to that, I also started dating the most amazing girl in the world, and so I wanted to spend time with her. And I have work, and the video quality I was getting with all these things going on was not at the level I want for you guys or for myself. So I took a break to focus on getting everything in order so I could get back to filming videos that I like, that are good enough to show you guys. You see me? So yeah, we're back, and today we're doing something very special. I'm taking Loozy on a surprise date. Tell them hi, Loozy.
Oh, Gwan Squad, it's been a while. Missed you.
Alright guys, talk soon. Alright guys, so Loozy is famous in our household for having a sweet tooth. Like a crazy sweet tooth. Random times, middle of the night, she'll go and grab a snack. True or?
Facts.
Facts. So I'm taking her to Nosberry Farms in Florida, which is famous for two things. Picking strawberries, which is really cool, and hopefully we get to do it. But most importantly, they make world famous cinnamon rolls.
Sweet, I'm excited. I've never picked strawberries before, and I love cinnamon rolls.
I've never picked strawberries either, so I'm hoping it's available now. But for sure, cinnamon rolls. These are like.
Excited. That's a perfect way to start the day.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Guys, they just told us it's a 3-hour wait for the cinnamon rolls, and we can't do that. I did. It's crazy. I'm gonna show you.
And it wraps around.
This is crazy, guys. Look how much cars there are. That's absolutely insane. Alright guys, it was a nice try. We got there and the line, it was a 3-hour wait for cinnamon rolls. There's no strawberry picking today. However, we will come back. We will try it again in the future. I mean, I just showed you guys that line. 3-hour wait for cinnamon rolls. There must be something good about it. And we'd love to pick strawberries together. So, it's on the list. It's on the list. Alright squad, so today was a fail. However, we're now at dinner celebrating Loozy because I just love her.
Aww, the sweetest.
And we are at Beauty
And the Beast.
Well, I'm the Beast, but Beauty and the Butcher. I just got my drink, guys. Rating out of 10.
8.
We're doing the butter sauce. Loozy with the watermelon sauce.
Your rating out of 10?
As a meal, I give a 6.
As always does?
I give a 6. However, let me just start this up real quick. You tried this one?
Yeah. I did a lot of it.
So with your reaction, now you're
No.
That's like an 8. Yeah, I like that. Raw tuna. Come on, grab one. This is a banana split Dippin' Dot. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yes.
Where you can start your tour and enjoy everything we have here.
Thank you, Blueberry. Yo.
It's nice to see you, Ron Raisin, and
Yeah. Thank you. Mom, we made it. We made it to America. Try it. I love Dippin' Dot. Oh, even that's sick. Banana?
No.
What's your banana ice cream? Oh, guys, they ask questions. We want to start over. In Australia, fair bread is also called hundreds and thousands. The same amount we top on ice cream. Rainbow sprinkles. Alright, let me see if we get this trivia.
This topping was formerly soaked in a liquor before. Woo!
Yes, stay back.
Okay.
Come on. Oh no! What?
This chip is now available in Oreo cookies.
There's no way order them 100 flavors. What's this?
Use the scoop stirrers to create your flavor. Press start button. Oh, that's creamy. Oh, sweet. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit.
You're not moving.
I got pretty wrong.
Oh, nothing printed. I think we came late, guys. Alright, I want to do sweet.
Oh,
Sweet. What do you want other than sweet?
creamy. Rich.
Okay. Oh. You did get it.
Thanks.
You want to put it on?
Yeah. It's all yours.
Oh. Shit, I might have broken it. Bruh. Gummy bears. Ice cream scoops.
Oh, let me lift it. Go on.
No, it lifts this up. No. Lauren was in the climate, guys.
Here it goes. Perfect.
Aquatrack is a floaty treat unique to Western Alaska and Northern Canada, made by whipping caramel fat together with salmon dairy fish. That sounds awful. That sounds awful. Let's go. Oh, this is kind of sick. You see like a picture when you get here. Wow.
Yeah, it changes.
Oh, so guys, room 1 down. Are we going first for Bahumba? What you know?
Yeah.
Look at her.
Okay, you guys, welcome aboard the Cream Liner. Once again, my name is Choco Supreme.
Hey.
Today we're going to Frostyland. We're
Okay,
excited.
what's
Yay.
that?
But the pilot will give a few brief announcements, and we're gonna get started to make sure you get safe to Frostyland. Okay?
Thank you.
Smoking is a no, but treats are a yes.
What about drinking?
Sit back and relax.
Can we drink?
Oh yes, of course.
Guys, we've landed.
Okay, now. Okay, thank you for riding Creamliner Airlines. My name is Choco Supreme, and I'm your lovely flight attendant for today. We have now landed in Frostyland.
Thank you.
Unbuckle your seatbelts and grab your belongings to your next destination.
Thank you.
Alright, we're in a banana room.
I'm coming to the side. It's so cute.
What's this? Oh my god. Oh shit. What?
This is crazy. Let's go in another one.
Okay. Oh, one more. It's kind of like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. What?
It's so cool. Sit down. On a beach, show them a lovely coconut tree.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Hello. Lauren is up.
God.
Alright, guys. Alright. What do you think so far of the
I
tour?
love it.
It's fun?
I'm having a great time.
You want to read this?
Yeah, that's me.
You write like a crab.
No, I don't. The pen is just, the pencil is huge. Woo!
Thank you. We're going. Loozy, where are you?
Let's play whack-a-mole.
Ambidextrous. No!
Your turn. Yeah, I've got one.
Yes, I did. I'm at 30, you're just sitting on 40.
Game starts.
What do we do?
I don't know. Fun. Look at the mirrors. Hello guys. Today we're going to go on the Sidewinder. Let's go. What the hell? What the heck? Oh, man.
You're not doing so good.
You want to try it? You want to try it? You're not doing so good. That's the wrong way.
Yes, it's called patience.
Gotta reverse. I don't think that's ever happened in the history of the game. Come on, bike back now. Bike ride. Oh. It's a kind of a scam, guys. Oh shit. Alright, ready? We're gonna do it again properly now. Alright. Only took us 13 tries. Oh my god, boy. Alright.
That was such a fun date.
It was like vanilla. Scoop.
Yeah.
I took mine off. Guys, that was awesome. I had such a good time with Loozy. It's so nice. It's so nice when we get to come and do these little things together in between all the work and school and this and that, and people are getting married and people have birthdays. Like, yo, it's been hectic. It's nice to have a little break and to spend some time together. So, hope you guys enjoyed the new vlog. Oh, guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe, as well as follow us on Instagram, James, @James or S. Like, she's private, so stay away.